Go.
Hey Kingsville, good afternoon. Just making some snow angels here on this 120-degree day in our new snow pit, which used to be our indoor pool. Super excited the project started this week. It's going to be a pretty impressive finished product when it's done. Excited to put the pedal down. It's going to be a full redo in here. We're going to re-plaster, re-tile the pool. Going to be new mechanicals, new pump systems, both in the pool and in the hot tub. New roof, new ceilings, new fixtures, new updates. It's going to be pretty dang impressive. Excited to put that pedal down. And work's already started throughout this project. So certainly excited to keep it going. And there's been a lot of progress over in the fitness center as well. So we'll take a look over there and see what we got going on. So to our left, before we had one family restroom for the indoor pool. We're building a second one. That plumbing is installed and ready to go. We've moved the entryway from the ladies' locker room, and everything here in the ladies' locker room is pretty much framed and up. So this is the new walkway entrance into the expanded ladies' locker room. Main floor with the lockers. Hot tub, sauna, steam room, all framed, ready to go. Mechanical room framed, ready to go. Game room framed, ready to go. New HVAC installed in the ladies' locker room this week. Plumbing and electrical comes next in this area. And we've had a few updates to the men's locker room as well. We're going to take a look over there. Lots of new items lined up this week, ready to go. So this area that we framed is our new laundry service entrance. Entry door is going to be on the left. We're going to store our laundry and our towels and our linens in this room here. And then the framing for the men's sauna, the men's steam room, and some of the men's restroom has already begun and just about done. And then moving the plumbing and the piping system for the men's restrooms and showers, going through that process now, and it's going to be done shortly. So we're excited about the progress that we've made so far. Certainly excited to see the place come back together. Look forward to showing you a little bit more in 2 more weeks. Take care.